Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Among Us online on your Xbox console. First, ensure you have the game downloaded and your console is connected to the internet. You will also need an active Xbox Game Pass Core, Standard, or Ultimate subscription to access online multiplayer features. This subscription allows you to connect with other players and join games across the globe, making the experience seamless and fun. Once you launch Among Us, you will see options to play online or locally. To dive into online play, select Online from the main menu. From there, you can choose to find game to join a public match with up to 15 players or host game to create your own lobby. If your friends have a private game, simply enter their unique code to join them directly. Among Us is a social deduction game where you are either a crewmate or an imposter. As a crewmate, your goal is to complete all assigned tasks or identify and eject all imposters. Imposters, on the other hand, aim to sabotage the ship and eliminate crewmates without being discovered. The game involves discussions and voting during emergency meetings to decide who to eject from the ship. Effective communication is key in Among Us. While the game features in-game text chat for discussions during meetings, many players use Xbox Party Chat for voice communication with friends. As a crewmate, pay close attention to who is doing tasks and who might be acting suspiciously. As an imposter, master the art of deception and sabotage to win the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.